Welcome back to Becoming a Beast, everybody. I'm at home again today, and I realized something. I realized my upper chest is severely lacking. So today I'm going to do my own home style incline. I'm going to put my feet at the top of that couch. I'm going to do my own home style incline bench press push-ups. So the goal is to do 50 reps no matter how many sets that takes me. 50 reps. Let's get started with set number 1. I won't be able to rep out 50 in the first set, that I can guarantee you. Okay, so home style incline. Okay, set number 1 done, feeling good. That was 20. If I can do 15 and 15, that would be awesome, but I highly doubt that. Yesterday I also started with a good set and then it decreased significantly after that. So started with 15, started with 20. Hopefully I can do 15 and 15. Maybe I can even smash 20 again and then only 10. Then it'll be a short video, but at least I got my workout in for today. Just gonna grab a quick rest. Okay, set number 2, let's go. Okay, that was 14, I'm on 34 now. What I realized that's different with push-ups than with bench press is bench press after a set, you're pretty much good to do another set. If you do, say, 120 pounds, 130 pounds and you do 10, next one you'll pretty much do 10 again. Maybe 9, but push-ups, your strength decreases a lot quicker. I don't know if it's just me that's weak with push-ups. I used to do a lot of push-ups when I was younger. But at least I'm pushing every single day. That's what this is for. It's to inspire me and to inspire everyone else at home to try and push every single day to the best you can. I'm on 34, I need 16 more. Hopefully 10 and then 6, that's the goal. Let's go, set number 3. Okay, that was only 9, so I need 7 more. I really don't want to have to break this up into 2 sets. Hopefully 1 set of 7. I feel pathetic when I'm pushing every single day. That's what it's all about, pushing every day as best as you can. I posted one of my videos saying that my goal is to bench press 220 pounds. Somebody commented on one of my Facebook posts, that's pathetic, you should go for 315. Guys, my message to all of you at home is do the best that you can. Not the best anyone else wants you to do, not the best that someone else does, the best that you can, you as an individual. So I've got 6, or 7 actually, 7 left. Let's try and rep out 7 for the last set. Okay, it's gonna be tough, but I can do it. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more. 7. Yeah, made it. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you find some inspiration in these videos. Until next time, let's become beasts, everybody.